Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now that we know the Urdu alphabet, let's put the alphabet together to make words. As you can see on the screen, the fruit shown here is pomegranate. Pomegranate is called anar in Urdu. What is it? Anar. Now, how is the word constructed? Or what are the components of this word? Let's take a look. Anar is composed of four alphabet: Alif, Noon, Alif, Re. When you put these together, what you get is Anar. Anar. Similarly, the second fruit shown here is a mango. Mango is called Am. Am. Now, only two letters are required to make the word. This is Alif and then Meen. So you see something on top of the Alif, this hat-like shape. This is called Madda. So to prolong the sound of Alif, we put this on top and we call this Alif Madda. So Alif Madda and Meen, two letters, they make a mango. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Khuda Hafiz.